tell us about the Open NFV initiative.
Sure. So HP is announcing here at Mobile World Congress our Open NFV program, and it has 4 primary components. The first is a technology and architecture stack. So we've assembled all of the key components from all across HP. That includes our industry standard commercial off-the-shelf servers, our virtualizable storage, our networking switches that are open flow capable and controllable. And we've assembled that into a technology architecture that our other pieces can lay on top of in order to create an NFV environment for the carrier. Laying on top of that physical architecture, we have major relationships with all of the hypervisor vendors, KVM, Xen, Hyper-V, VMware. As a matter of fact, we're VMware's largest channel to market. We also have our own software-defined networking controller that's part of the architecture as well. Laying on top of that, we have a multi-vendor resource management and orchestration function that can take care of the entire physical and virtual environment, as well as any vendor virtualized network functions that live within the complex. And then finally, we have our own virtualized network functions that come from the communications and media solutions business within HP. And some examples of those would be things like a home subscriber server, an MRF, an HLR, a network-based IVR, content delivery networks, mediation functions, policy functions. We also have virtualized network functions from other parts of the business, like HP Networking has a virtual services router that can replace appliance-based routers. So that's the technology architecture portion. Second part of the announcement is something called HP Open NFV Labs. And what the Open NFV Lab is a convergence point where all of our OEM, ISVs, and our carrier customers can come together, they can collaborate, they can do integration, and they can test things before they actually arrive at the carrier site to ensure that the carrier can get into production faster and that they have an assurance that what they bring to the network is actually going to work. Third component is a partner program. So we're leveraging a partner program that we have called Alliance One, where we bring together all of the best partners from across the world that provide solutions specifically to telecom. And we use those partners so that we can deliver to our customers complete solutions. And the reason for that is because HP has got certain point places that we play within the network with our own software IP, but our customers need complete solutions. So we use our partner ecosystem to fill in any gaps that we might have, because no one company can do it all. And these are multi-vendor environments that are emerging, and we use that partner program to expose that. Additionally, the partner program will expose the software development kits and the APIs from our things like our NFV orchestrator so that other partners can come and be part of our resource management and orchestration ecosystem. Then the final thing that we're announcing is a catalog of proof of concepts and deployment and lifecycle services to wrap the entire program. So when our customers and our partners come to the HP Open NFV Labs, they'll be able to get access to a catalog of all of the ETSI use cases that we've already deployed, be able to select from those. They can decide that they want to run new use cases of their own. And then we wrap those with world-class services so that they can get into service faster. So we include consult, advise, design services. We'll do support services for the entire deployment, even if it has a multi-vendor nature to it. And then we do financial services as well. And we feel like this is really important in the NFV world because the customers are going to experience an entirely new dynamic where things are automated, have elasticity, can flex up and flex down, and the old world of selling a fixed license is going to retire itself, and customers are going to want to actually purchase based upon what they use within a virtualized infrastructure. And the other part of this is that these are going to be multi-year transitions, and so there's going to have to be some degree of financial planning that goes with this as well, and HP Financial Services is coming alongside of us to make sure that that all works. So at a high level, those are the 4 points of the Open NFV announcement.